Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. If you are someone who needs to come into entrepreneurship to build something of your own, or just want to upskill to build a great profile for your corporate journey, or to get a salary hike, then these certification program can give you an upper edge. If you do not know where to start, what are these certification courses, where can you find them, and what's the eligibility to enroll, then you have found the right video. With that said, today we will dive into the best free and paid certification courses on leadership, management and strategy. We will be covering everything that you need to know about these courses, from eligibility to application, deadline and the fee structure. So let's get started. The foremost question that comes to our mind is, why exactly do we need a certificate in leadership, management and strategy? Here's the catch. There are several benefits of getting the certificate, like improved communication, great employee engagement, improved decision making, enhanced team coordination, better productivity, directed result, and encouraged innovation. Now you may be thinking that who all are eligible for these certificates. So let's talk about it. Here are the best free online certification that you can consider. Number 1, Leadership and Management by Great Learning. Great Learning is one of the India's largest professional learning platform, which offer courses to level you up in the corporate world. With this course, you can learn at your own pace, master in-demand skill, and test your skill with quizzes. Get certified for free. Number 2, Leadership and Management, short course by Oxford Home Study Centre. Link is into the description. OHSC is the UK's leading platform that offer best professional courses worldwide. Some of their courses are for free and some are paid. If you are someone who wants to learn leadership and management, then this short course can be good fit for you. By this course, you can enhance your skill, test your knowledge, and get certified. This course covers everything from different style, influence strategies, consequential thinking, ethics 101, and many other things. By enrolling in this course, you can boost your resume, get a job, build a successful career, paid certification programs that are worth the investment. Now, if you are ready to invest in yourself or get reimbursed by your company, here are premium certifications that are highly respected in the business world. Number 1, IIM Indore Certificate Program in Leadership and Change Management. You can find link in the description. You get certified in leadership and change management from IIM Indore to build a solid foundation for your career. Highlight of this programs are, it is an 8-month course, 3-day campus visit, learn from the industry expert, learn from the real world business cases, and alumnus of the top institute. Eligibility for this program. This course is designed for mid-senior level professionals. A diploma, 10+2, graduation degree, post-graduation degree with at least 50% mark and 4 years of valid experience. Duration of the program is 8 months. The fee for the program is 1,98,000. Number 2, Leadership and Management Certification Program by Wharton Online. Link you can find in the description. Making world-class business education accessible to the world. This is the goal of Wharton Online. This course will give new heights to your career. By enrolling in this course, you can enhance your decision-making skill, learn at your own pace, interact with the best faculty from around the world. Duration of this program is 4 to 6 weeks. Time required 2 to 4 hours per week. The mode will be complete online. Fees is $3,600. If you're wondering which course would be great fit for you, then you can keep a few things in mind to make the right choice. Number 1, if you are new to the leadership role. Number 2, if you're already into the leadership role and want to enhance your knowledge. Number 3, if you want to change your profile and get into leadership and management role. Yes, you can also check the description to find WhatsApp link and directly message to us to select a suitable course for you. With AI taking control of everything, the leadership role remains a unique skill. No AI can become a leader. Strategic thinking can give you an upper edge in your business, job, or entrepreneurship. This is a skill that everyone must learn to get far in any sector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Check out the description box to get the links to the above mentioned courses. You can also book one-to-one call with Edu Verticals to get you started with the course. Just drop a message on WhatsApp by using the link in the description.